What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? I'm gonna be opening all of these packs, just for fun. Just want to say thank you to everyone who has been watching, subscribing. Let's get to it.
First pack. Come on.
That's not.
Yeah. Basic Energy, Cecil Pete, Bronzor, FM, Dualodon, Azumarill, Magnetic, Gravity Mountain, Slakoth, Trapinch, Iron Crown. Next pack, Stella Crown. Come on, Squirrel. G, Mole Rotten, Eevee, Riolu, Duraludon, Celebi, Lantern, Toadscroll, Horidon, Clink, Kofu, okay. Alright, Kofu, blast this Paradox Rift and maybe we can get a Groudon. Ferroseed, Gible, Panpour, Blitzel, Crocolore, Technical Machine, Vanilluxe, Tropish, Jirachi. Oh, it's a EX. Goalie support. Goalie support Kofu, blast the Temporal Forces. G, Psychic, Rough, Litten, Shumish, Likitang, Delmise, oh no, Electivire, Sino, Golett, Bulltown, Roaring Moon. Obsidian Flames. To be honest, I just want the Cleffa. Energy, Diglett, Rowlet, Beltoy, Finizen, Grumpig, Bellybolt, Trevenant, Cleffa. Come on, I need the other Cleffa. Bronzor. Oh no, Caesar. Scarlet Violet. Change the function. Scovet, Charcadet, Lechonk, Starly, Blissey, Tatsugiri, Jackie, Gato, Crushing Hammer. Oh, Skeleton. Sword and Shield era, Vivid Voltage. So this guy, we're looking for a fat Pikachu. Energy, Loudred, Zap Striker. Okay, Coating Energy, Yanma, Galarian Meowth, Duskull, Voltop, Weedle, Zygarde, oh no, Beedrill. Everyone's last two favorite, Crown Zenith and 151. Let's do Crown Zenith. Fighting Energy, Friends in Hisui, Carnivine, Lost Vacuum, Snorunt, Larvesta, Tangela, Beltoy, Galarian Meowth, Oddish. No!
The Charizard EX.
Charizard, please, I choose you.
This is Scarlet Violet, so just one. Whoa!
Oh.
Okay. Hollow Energy. Can you save this? Caterpie, Eevee, Grimer, Weedle, Cycling Road, Scyther, Charmeleon, come on, Primate, Pidgeotto, no, it's a mime.